Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds, and now we have finally got issue 74 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. So I say finally because this is what was due last week. It didn't go in the newsagent until Saturday for me, so yeah, it took a few days to get there. So this was late to my newsagents, and I knew a lot of people didn't get this in their newsagents. So let me show you what we get in this one. So this is the issue. These are the parts we get. As you can see, we get all the parts in there to make one piston. So yeah, we're going to be making just one piston. As we open up the magazine, if you still can't get hold of 74, then I recommend going to issue 4 because you get the exact same parts in issue 4 as you do in issue 74. So as you can see, we're basically just going to be making one piston. We're sliding this down there and attaching this onto the bottom of that with a screw, and then we're just adding one of the piston pieces that we made last time until we've got something that looks a little like that. And what's coming up next time, we continue assembling the left arm. We get this piece here, which is the back of the arm. So as I said, if you haven't got issue 74 and you're really struggling to get it, don't pay the ridiculous eBay prices. Just look for someone with issue 4 and you'll have these parts in there. That being said, let's get the parts open and start building. So we've got all the parts out of the packaging. As you can see here, they are all die cast metal. And basically what we've got to do is take this part, and this is getting sliding down onto there. We can turn this over, and we've got this little part at the top here. We can secure this onto there, and then you are going to need a long screwdriver because it needs to go all the way down through here. So mine will go down, as you can see, it will just fit. So we need to take our screw. I'm going to pre-slide that all the way down, fixing that on, and then I'm just going to hold the screwdriver and screw this on just like that, and now I can just tighten it up at this end just like that, and that is that part complete. The only other thing we have to do is we're going to take this one, the one with like the U shape on there, and we're going to slide that into there, creating our piston. So that means the one we made last time, which is this one, which is the slightly smaller one, this one is going in there, so we can slide that one in there as well. And that is both our piston pieces fully made up, ready to go on the arm when it's done. If they're a little tight, pull them out, and what you want to do is just loosen this back off a little, and that'll make this a little looser, as you can see. A little squeaky, but yeah, looser. So that one's fine. I'm just going to tighten this one up a little because this is a little too loose. That's better. Nice stiff. That one's a little too loose now, so just a little tad more. That's better. Yeah, and that's this issue complete. So yeah, as I said, coming up next time, we're going to be doing this part of the arm here, which is the back of the arm, sort of the inside of the arm, going up to the shoulder joint, which is this part here. When we put that in, and it has the this black piece is to hold on the shoulder joint. So I don't think we're going to be doing pretty much anything with this part. We're just going to be putting this black part in this hole, and that's it. We'll be leaving it until we get this part again in a future issue. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, as delayed as it was, but we will have issue 75 hopefully this week. I'm looking to pick that up from the newsagents. Hopefully I can get that Wednesday, and I'll have a video out maybe Thursday for you. So yeah, join me then. So until next time, guys, if you like this video, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.